Hello, myself Sunil Ramkrishnan. Basically we are going to talk about the formula word. Basically, what actually formula word is. So this is basically a 16th path. We till 15th path we already discussed lots of things basically, and in 16th path basically we are going to discuss about the God energy basically. So God energy means each and every human needs which is basically created in this Earth planet that contains God energy. There is no object, there is no any single sand also basically you can say single sand. Just imagine the single sand basically you can say which is created by human being, which is created. So sand also you can create basically through software basically. That also we are going to we are going to discuss basically. So one CRM, from one CRM software, one sand also basically we can create, and from that set of sand basically land also can be created, and then lots of process can be happen from that land. So from software basically you can create the land. So basically that we will see later on. So basically here basically we are talking about the formula word basically, which is telling that we are going to create from we are going to create basically we have created lots of god energies, and the god energy basically says that each and every human needs basically contains the god energy, and this god energy basically has created by the set of groups basically. And what actually god energy contains, that basically each and every people knows. Basically in India basically each and every people knows what is the power of Hanuman, what is the power of Mahakali, what is the power of Shiv Shankar, basically God. What is the power of Krishna Bhagavan? What is the power of Kartik? What is the power of Allah? What is the power of Parsi God? And what is the power of Jain? If you do any damage, if you create any problem to this God, then basically which type of punishment you get. That also each and every people know basically. So basically this is about the God energy basically, which is basically already created, and lots of human needs are also created from this God energy. So basically lots of people says that basically if they want to verify each and every god energies basically, then how basically they are doing the verification. Basically this each and everything basically which we are discussing, that is connected with the formula only. The project management plan formula is going to connect each and every stories basically. This is basically one of the user stories only for the project management. So project management, each and every formula basically which is created, that is created on the base of set of user stories basically you can say. So what is user stories? That basically everybody knows basically what is user stories, what are the tasks, what are the sprint basically. So basically here basically we are just discussing the normal word basically, that is user story. So basically each and every god basically energies has created by the set of energy power company. For example, the ONGC company is there. They basically are into the set of energy creation and power creation basically. So they also have created lots of books basically. Books means basically whatever God books are there, that basically has converted to energies basically, and that energy are used in, that are energies are getting basically used in when used and creation of human needs basically. So whenever human needs are created, that God energies are also taken basically, which is created by ONGC. Like this, Reliance is also there. There are basically many companies. Tata is there, and many companies are there basically. So basically each and every product basically which are created that contains human needs, sorry, which always contains god energy basically. So each and every energies basically which are created, that also contains god energy. So basically then energies are converted to human needs basically. So basically here we are talking about the God energies, which says that the God energy which is created, that are created on the base of certain books basically. And for example, who created Hanuman Chalisa? Who created the Ramayana basically? How basically Ramayana was created, and how Ramayana books was created basically. So each and every words inside that Ramayana, inside that Hanuman Chalisa, that has converted into human needs. And in this world, for example, whatever item are created, for example in Bible basically. So Bible is a church basically, it's a Christian god, it's a Christian book basically. So that has also been converted into human needs basically. You if you say lots of people says that vegetable which is getting which are basically getting used in the London or in the USA, New York, or in the California. So there basically that vegetable contains Bible, basically Bible energy. Yes, basically it contains, because there basically in California and London basically and Singapore basically lots of Christians stay basically. So they believe in church basically. So church basically they every Saturday, Sunday, they basically go in church and read the Bible. So basically, each and every human needs, basically, which are created in London, basically for the London purpose, that basically contains Bible energy also. So basically, like this, basically means Bible energy basically more it contains, because it's a population. So according to the population of the religious, basically this basically it's there, basically it's not a percentage basically you can say, because according to the population of the religious only the basically human needs are created. So basically you can say is a special basically human needs gets created sometime basically, but there is no like global basically. For example, in city this in Vadodara city, basically Vadodara city, each and every people basically of religious basically stay here. So here basically each and every human needs which get creates that are basically connected with all religions basically. So that basically human needs, for example, water. So water contains each and every religious books basically. You can say each and every religious God energy books basically that water contains. So basically, what whenever you drink water, it's not written in the water that this is basically only for Christian, this is only for Hindu, this is only for Muslim. Because in that water, basically each and every God energy contains basically. So basically, sir, so just see the power of the God energy basically. If you, for example, if you get thirsty, you are getting thirsty. So basically, you want water only, or you want some drink also. So that basically contains each and every God energy basically. So which type of God energy, which religious God energy basically that contains the that basically water contains, that basically it's not written in the, so basically in water basically it's not written that this God energy is used to create the water, this God energy is used to create the fruits, this God energy is used to create the vegetables, because it's a portion of religious basically is staying in Vadodara city. And like this basically each and every people purchase the human needs basically. So according to the religious here basically it's not divided, it's a global religion basically. Each and every people stay here. So basically this is about the God energy basically. And God energy say that we are getting used in each and every human needs basically. For example, you have created one CRM system basically. So basically, by default, CRM system contains CRM system basically contains what? CRM contains basically text box, combo box. So basically, globally, basically each and every God energies are used basically. So like this, basically, there is no required of taking differently the God energy into the CRM system basically. So basically, for example, you are creating one CRM, you have created one CRM system, and you have created one software energy of the CRM system. Like this, basically, sorry, you have created one CRM system, and in CRM system, basically, through CRM system, basically, you converted the CRM system into software energy basically. So like this, basically, software energy has been converted into software energy has been converted from the CRM data CRM system basically. So this has given name as a software CRM software energy basically. So this is going to create vegetables basically. So CRM software basically they don't need to integrate any God energy basically. But few basically software companies add God energy basically, because their God are totally different basically. Basically totally different means a few people believe in that type of god, basically that temple also don't exist. So like this basically religious non-religious god also are there. So basically they use their own data basically of the god energy, and tell the crm tells the basically software energy department that basically whenever you are going to create this CRM energy, basically CRM software energy, that time basically you have to use this God energy which we have giving to you. So basically they give set of words, basically set of books, basically that they have to that software energy department have to use these books God books basically. That is basically non-religious books basically. So basically here basically God books are also used. God books which contains the religious part also and non-religious part also basically are used. So basically like this type of software are also created. So like this basically we are talking about the software energy, and software energy creation happened, and in CRM software energy is taken as an example. And he in this CRM software energy basically you have we have used God energies basically. So God energy is also integrated when the CRM software energies has been used. So basically this is basically we have discussed about the for part 16. This is basically related to the formula word, basically how basically formula word is getting used.